friends, it's Amy, the Reiki Nomad, and I'm back here on Whole Self Unity, and I brought all the co-creators of this organization. You guys thought it was just me. It's not. Got a wonderful surprise for you today. So our Whole Self Unity is this nonprofit organization that we're forming together, and our mission is to foster healing into wholeness through community, education, and treatments. And we're hoping to offer charitable treatments to those who might need this integrative therapy or any kind of integrative therapy as an and to their medical treatment. We have a couple of populations that are targeted to raise funds so that we can offer those services to them without expense to the folks who need them, because often these services are not covered by insurance, and it's 2020 and a lot of people are having trouble making ends meet just on basics. So let's see what we can do to also help people feel better and to connect. So we've got a lot of cool things planned. I wanted to introduce you to Tracy and Moana and let you get to know them a little bit, and also tell you a little bit about what is coming up for us in the next few months. What I want to point out to you is everything that we're talking about is really offered on a donation basis. And I'll give you some more information up above and later in this live, so that if you want to just help us out, please feel free to. We are raising funds to form as a 501c3 nonprofit, hopefully early in 2021. But right now we're scraping together the pennies and nickels and offering our time, our expertise to others for free. We're not being paid. We're not being paid. We're paying the organization so that it can form. So just to kind of give you the lowdown on that. I know you've talked to me before or seen me here before, but I'm going to toss it over to Tracy and let her tell you a little bit about what's coming up for her out in this space.
Thank you so much, Amy. So my name's Tracy Payton. I am a transformational energy coach. So my purpose in coaching is to guide people to kind of find purpose and place and playfulness through a coaching space. I also do some Reiki on the side, which is moving into a different space. I also do some guided meditation. So for this page, we're offering 2 guided meditations a week. We're starting on Mondays mornings and Thursday afternoons. So tomorrow morning, Monday morning at 8:30, we're going to jump on here, this page, totally free. Would love that donation. Again, we'll keep linking our GoFundMe page to just do a quick meditation. Get your week started off right. 5-10 minutes probably is the total meditation. Thursday afternoon, I do a meditation starting 4 p.m. Pacific time, so 7 o'clock on the East Coast. That's a little bit longer to kind of wind you down, get you into that Friday mood, moving into the weekend. Because it's a Facebook Live, no wrong answers. You just show up. You don't even have to put your face on any screen. You can do it anytime. You can watch the replay. There's no wrong way to meditate. So if you are in your car and you're driving home, you can just listen. Please don't close your eyes. We're also going to be offering some workshops as we move into the holiday season. The holidays in general can be joyful and amazing, but also a little stressful. And then on top of that, we added 2020 to it. So we don't even know what the holidays look like for us. So we are bringing in some fantastic people to help kind of put together some workshops about dealing with some of the stress, maybe some habit changes we can make through that time frame. So again, we're looking for this on a donation basis. We will keep linking that GoFundMe page so that anything you have is greatly appreciated, but we want to share our services with you. And if you are looking for any of these services, and or if you are looking to connect with us on like a deeper level as to what we do with Reiki, what we do with coaching, and what you're going to hear the amazing Moana talk about, we want you to connect with us so that we can help you. And even if it's something we don't potentially offer right this second, you never know who we know. So we want you to connect with us so that we can start to build this community. So I'm going to turn it over to my fantastic co-creator, Moana, to tell you a little bit more about herself.
Well, hello, everybody. Thank you, Tracy. That was a beautiful introduction. And I am so excited, looking forward to meditation where people don't see my face. I really don't want to be on Zoom and people watching me when I'm in meditation. That's a little too personal. So thank you for doing it on Facebook Live. I think that's a great idea. Um, so yeah, I'm Juana Schwerzig, and I am so excited to be part of this vision that we all have, becoming whole together through this community. Um, I am a craniosacral therapist and a board certified polarity practitioner, and I absolutely love what I do. I've been doing it for years, and I am learning and in the process of creating an online frame for this. And so it's going to be exciting. And for now, in November, I will be offering 30-minute sessions for people to come on and give it a try. You know, this is finding something that will work for you. Like we were talking about the 2020 and the holiday season, we're gonna be triggered somewhere.
Right.
So let's find something that helps us navigate through the next few months, through the next year, through whenever, through life, really is what it's about, to create a community, to support each other, to navigate life in a healthier way. And so I'm very excited about what we have. I know it's the three of us here now. We have more people that are coming on board. We've already got some things almost ready to be scheduled. So please check back on our website, wholeselfunity.org, Facebook page, and sign up for our newsletter on the
Contact.
website. Thank you. And you will get the up-to-date information of what is coming when and why, I guess. No, well, why is...
That's the journey we're all on, right?
Right.
The big why.
Yeah.
So one of the things that I've been offering is Reiki classes, and one of them I'm teaching with Tracy, and it's amazing to watch that group gel and become a beautiful community and make strides in their own healing journeys, but then also being able to support each other in a weekly environment. It's really been incredible to sit and facilitate that, because it's the people participating that bring the change, and it's an honor to hold space for that and witness it. So we've got a lot of Reiki classes going on. We have some more that are being offered, but I also offer some energetic healing, self-healing classes, energetic anatomy, energetic hygiene. Those are already posted as a series, but I'm going to begin to post the individuals, so that if you just want to come to one session and you don't want to commit to a series of 5 different classes. I'm a recovering accounting professor. What can I tell you? When I go big, when I make a class, I go big. So, you know, if you just want to come to one session and just check it out, that those are available. And again, all the work that's being done by all of our providers, whether it's treatments, whether it's workshops, whether it's classes, or any of the ones that are coming on board, we're all working for free right now and raising funds to create this nonprofit and to make it official. So we're hoping that anybody who wants to participate who feels called to come join us in community in any of these events or treatments, that they do so. But we're also hoping that people will drop a few pennies in the kitty and help us get our mission accomplished, which is to get launched. So the GoFundMe is available. I'll put the link up above. You can also find out more about Whole Self Unity at our website, wholeselfunity.org, like Moana mentioned. The events that are offered can also be found at wholeselfunity.org/events. Treatment calendar will be available probably early November. So please bear that in mind. I know Moana's going to be offering some of her sessions and she's incredible. You would be really not doing yourself a service if you miss out on that. And then I'll probably be offering some Reiki treatments at some point during November as well. And we have some other things happening. So please like us, follow us, go see the website, make a donation.
Share us.
Yeah.
Share this fantastic video with all of your Facebook feed.
Yes. And if you're a practitioner, join us. Join the party. Come help us help everybody else. Because if you've got the tools to kind of navigate the tense, frictional energy that we're all navigating, then your community, and when I say community, the world needs you right now. And that's what we're doing. That's why this online nonprofit business is being formed, is to help everybody through this time to navigate with grace, and well, as much grace as you can manage sometimes, and maybe a little bit of peace. And if you can't have peace, then at least have a good community that you can laugh with and wipe tears away with and rage with, and then come to peace. So did we say it?
Beautiful. We're looking, yeah, we got it all. We're looking forward to seeing all of you. Come connect with any one of us, all of us. We can't wait to get to know you a little bit better, and please share and come join our workshops, our treatments, our all of these things. I mean, we have a little something for everybody. So come on, this is a great place to kind of try it out.
Excellent.
Yeah, one graceful step at a time. We will get through this. And yeah, I'm looking forward to what we already have to offer and what's coming in the next few weeks. So yeah.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Thank you all very much. And we'll see you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.